Go ahead and come out. And this is the before to the tail line. So we're going to descale this next. Now we're going to the cast iron. There's a clean out right above us, and I believe it's that one by possibly the fence. But as of right now, we don't see. Pipe is nice and descaled. This pipe is actually thinner than it was when we got started. All the heavy buildup has been removed. We recommend customer at this time have this thing lined while it's still round. The pipe is about 1/16 to 1/8 of thickness, so it's pretty thin. And it may not last another 1 or 2 descalings in the future. Otherwise, everything looks a lot better. Beautiful feather. Now we're in the liner. Everything looks really nice. This is our garden hose, which we're going to pull out right now.